We are now here in Batanes, Basque. Good morning.
Yep. I'm Canapino.
Canapino. Are you the owner of the resort?
Yeah, my wife and I.
Perfect.
We just got back from Canada. Well, we were in Manila for about 6 weeks, but we have Chinarian Beach, which is our area where all the major hotels are here.
Chinarian, okay.
But it's out of the little city. Basco's a little noisy and mostly homestays.
This way. Sumdip Kamu. We'll check kung anong ibig sabihin ng Sumdip Kamu. Hi.
This is my wife Josie.
Hi Josie, how are you?
Welcome to Batanes.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
We're loving it already. This is fresh tuna cooked by the owner himself. Sanay sa lakad. This is the view from the terrace. Nice. Sure.
Ito po yung TV natin.
Ay, wait lang. This romantic note was spoken to us by your loving husband. Welcome to Batanes, my darling. This is the dream we have been longing for, to spend time together for eternity as me, husband and wife. Let's start the celebration of our wedding by enjoying the paradise of Batanes together. I love you. Okay.
Ito po ang ating aircon. Yung switch mo. And medyo matagal lang siya uminit. Hintayin natin anniversary.
Thank you. Looks nice. And thanks for this kind gesture. So, sabi nga ni Boy, welcome to honeymoon.
Hi.
We are now moving down. Ato na yata yung van. On our way to the tour. Day 1.
Bali itong Batanes may 11 island.
11?
Oho, pero 3 island lang ang may tao. Yung iba pinag-aalaga na lang yan ng mga hayop, pinupunta ng mga fishermen.
Okay.
Pero pagmamayari pa rin siya ng gobyerno. Area. Meron tayong 6 na bayan dito, 6 na munisipyo na may 29 barangay. Itong mga nakikita natin sa kabundukan, mga kagaya niya na yung konkreto na yan, hindi yan mga bahay, mga tangke yan ng tubig.
Okay.
Wala na tayong source ng tubig dito sa mga matataas, kaya ang ginagawa ng gobyerno para matulungan mga nagpapastol, mga nag-ano ng halaman, lalagay ng mga rain collector.
Rain collector?
Oo. Kaya pag naulan,
Naiipon doon.
may tangke dyan sa baba niyan.
Ang ganda oh, tingnan mo oh. Look. Yan.
Hi!
we are at Batanes.
This is our second stop. Rolling Hills, no, Kuya Mel?
Apa.
Rolling Hills.
Wow. Amazing.
Nice view, ang ganda.
Kagaya rin po nito. Rain collector ito.
Okay. Yung mga konkreto. This is 360 degrees. Yung dati yung sinasabi. This is Rolling Hills. Our first landscape stop. Actually second. After the Immaculate Conception Cathedral sa Basco. Ayun si Kuya Mel. Ang aming tour guide. Very accommodating, very nice. Maraming salamat. And this is how it looks. We're giving you the first 360 degrees view ng aming tour.
Welcome to Batanes!
Ito naman ang Basco Lighthouse. Yun. Aakatin natin siya. Pwede siyang akitin. There's also this I love Batanes sign. So, lika.
Tama yan.
May handahan.
Okay.
Kasal?
Oo.
Ang ganda ng view, ha?
Dito sa dalasan mga mga
Ganda ng view. Ayun ang lighthouse.
reception. Gusto ko na yung umakyat dyan.
Sige ha. Tingnan natin. Second stop.
Ilang floor po to?
Ang ano, 66B.
Ba yung mga survival?
Jordan.
Not chill naman. 1 meter naman. This is the view.
Wow.
This is the view from the lighthouse. Basco Lighthouse? Batanes Lighthouse. Basco Lighthouse. That is the windmill. Yung kabayanan. And
Ikot
that is
mo.
the port. And look at that. Oh, excuse me.
Ay.
We are here at the
Lighthouse.
Basco Lighthouse and this is the view. It's the sea view. And this is the other side, the land view. Amazing. That's the light. This is Balugan Boulder Beach na maraming mga bato na pinaniniwala ang galing sa bundok. Anong pangalan ng
Mount
bagan?
Iraya.
Mount Iraya. More than 300 years ago. Ganda doon, no? Ay! Back in bundok. This is Japanese tunnel, not made by the Japanese but by the Ivatan. It extends up to 40 meters approximately by the Japanese for hideout during the World War II. Our Lady of Mount Carmel, no?
May nagmimisa pa rin po dito.
Every Sunday.
At gawa siya sa...
4 o'clock ng hapon.
Ano hong tawag dito sa ganitong structure? Yung gawa sa bato-bato?
Ito kasi ano na to, semento na to.
Mm.
Kinaaya lang yung
Okay. Nilagyan lang ng mga bato. Pasado alas 11 ng umaga pero hindi mainit pero hindi mo ramdam yung init kasi presko yung hangin, maaliwalas at saka hindi maingay.
Yo, at tahimik dito sa Batanes. This is the Mount Carmel Church.
May kisi sa ano no, sa bag.
Oo. This is one of the most popular spots here in Batanes, Rakua Payaman or Marbong Hills, where you can see this is one of the largest pastures. Tama ko ba? Yan, kaya maraming Cows.
cows, cattle in the background you see there. And anong ocean? Pacific view ba to? This is the Pacific side view, Pacific Ocean. We're there. You can see the shorelines. I don't know if you can see the shorelines down there. Really nice. What can you say about Batanes so far?
It's amazing.
It's breathtaking. Yes, the slogan perfectly fits the place. It's breathtaking indeed.
Look at that cows.
Nakakasilaw. I would wear my... Oh, can you hold it?
Ayan.
Anong meron? May...
Halimbawa, ito yung palatandaan ng isang may-ari ng baka. Halimbawa, mayroon pang isang gustong magpa-register nito sa munisipyo, hindi natatanggapin din. Meron ng
Talagang ginugupit sila.
Iba-iba yun. Iba-iba yung palatandaan.
Okay. Really amazing. And look at these friendly cows over here grazing to the grasses. Pwede pa kaming lumapit doon. Okay. Takot na siya. She's afraid, but it's giving you the feels of New Zealand based on the pictures that we see about the place. But it's nice.
Show the cows.
There they are, grazing, unbothered. Though we have quite tens of tourists here. This is such a good relief away from all those tall skyscrapers, the noise of the city. Totally, you won't see any buildings here taller than 3 stories. Actually, there are very, very few of them. And all you see, especially where we are just greens, the cows,
Water.
the cattle, and the ocean. Yes, it's generally peaceful here. Not too many crowd actually. It's not a big tourist crowd. And then, mas marami pang baka kaysa sa amin. Look at that. Amazing, amazing. Sa labas, maganda.
And she's hard to go on Daddy Glock White.
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Then veggies. Then fish. Enjoy this.
Thank
I
you.
think it's serving spoon.
Chicken curry and
Veggie.
this is the famous Blow Your Horn spot here in Batanes.
So this is the road in between those rocks. Yan. And this is the view.
This is the view.
Ang ganda oh. Even that. Look at those rock formations by the beach. Rock formation na siya pero ang ganda niya.
Parang sa ibang bansa.
Yes. And dun tayo sa dulo. Ang ganda dun.
Ay,
Yung duyan.
ang yan.
Ayun na, ayun.
Okay, I see.
So this is one of my favorite places already in the Philippines. It's not, if not my most favorite. Look at that. Wherever you look, in front, to your right, to the left, and even behind us. 360 degrees, really stunning view. Na to ko yan, itong bundok. Wala naman.
Wala namang ano ito, pero katapuyan ang area na to.
Katapuyan.
Katapuyan.
Ang ganda oh. Gawa din sa mga corales oh.
Ito yung mga dead coral na sinusunod na ginagawang lime. Diyos!
Original oh.
Ito yung ano, yung kahoy na sabi ko. Ito, saka yung ibang mga classes nito.
Wala po nakatira dito.
Pero pa,
Meron din.
hindi pang 4th generation na yun.
Okay.
Pero okay lang na pinapapunta.
Oo.
Talagang ano.
Inamuhon.
Ibig sabihin,
Inamuhon.
Minana.
Minana. Oh, do not touch. Wag mo daw, do not touch. Upo.
Paggawa ng banga. At ito marating dito sa Batanes. Madaling huli yung
Anong ano nga sa black book?
Hindi, magsusulat ka dyan, babe.
Sige.
Wait, ito.
Okay.
pag napuno na.
316.
Nadadalhin ito sa National Museum.
It's already sunset time. We just came from an early dinner because we believe the restaurants here, the limited number of restaurants here closes early in the night. So we just got ourselves some pizza, which is really good. Lunis pineapple. It's like fried pork according to the restaurant, fried pork. We got some for takeaways and a bit in a bag of curry in case gutumin sa gabi mamaya. Good morning. It's 5:30 in the morning and it's brown out. It was the power went off around 12:45 last night
It wasn't that hot really, but still not very comfortable to sleep. So we have to use the leaflet that we got from the tourism as a fan. And yeah, that long, from 12:45 till now, there's still no power. And we're about to go now for our day 2 itinerary. It's almost morning. Well, it's morning. The sun has not come out yet. We got our breakfast delivered already. So we learned it's a scheduled brownout pala from 12 midnight to 8 in the morning today. So just today, right on our first night. But apparently it's only today, and later on there will be power already. So that should be good. On our way to Sampan Island now. So this is the port of Saptang. Kasama uli namin si Kuya Mel. Good morning, Kuya. Quick breakfast muna. Wow, look at my hair. Quick breakfast with the breakfast that was prepared by our hosts. Oranges, the pizza left over yesterday, and some boiled eggs. Because we told them we just really want light breakfast. This is our new ride here in Saptang. Thank you, Kuya. Good morning po.
Morning po.
Good morning.
Boyet, driver natin.
Good morning, Kuya Boyet.
Morning po.
Our first stop here in Saptang is the Morong Beach. Ayan. According to our tour guide, around May to June, July, there are turtles that are laying eggs here. So nice, so calming.
You can remove your slippers.
You can remove your slippers, right? Nice. That's amazing. I don't know if you could see, but the island there is where we came from. The Batan Island, the main island of Batanes. It's cold. The water is cold. And there.
Just
Nice.
so. Huwagasan nga yung tunero.
Yeah. Later on, we will look at the park. The famous art that I see often online. Guys, day 2 in Batanes. We are here at Saptang Island. This is our first itinerary, the Morong Beach. And as usual, like many other places here, it's stunning. Really, Batanes is starting to become one of my favorite places in the Philippines. Although I haven't been to many places, but it's really beautiful.
I've
Right.
been to 2 places.
This year. Ikaw, what can you say?
It's amazing!
And look at that. The water is cold, but it's actually nice when it touches your feet. Yeah,
Ito, saan ka?
here. That's what you wanted to get, right?
Yeah.
It's against the light, kaya nasisilaw ako. But I don't know if you see this rock formation, but every time we see such rocks, nakakadagdag ng ganda. And these rocks, wala, maganda na.
Di na nadagdagan.
Di na.
Buko muna tayo.
Ano, ay turtungan ko mapakdukaro
50. Pero since matigas na daw yung loob, libre na lang.
Nga siya sa at pag naduang, si guys may linis ulit. Tinda mga tablado takantado.
Okay?
Ayaw.
Hindi siya mahilig sa buko.
Ang paborito.
Pero
kong
this is
pansit.
good.
Tapos mga wine, tapos may pulutan ng seaweed chips. Inom na kayo, sir. Libre yan.
Mismo. Konti lang po, ate.
Tikman mo.
Thank you. Free taste ng wine. Batanes 3 po. Batanes 3.
Batanes Street. Tikman mo sila, anong lasa.
Masarap. That's good.
Tapos, sugar cane wine. Tikman mo.
We are going down this hill. Chamantad viewpoint. Ganda. It looks amazing as always since yesterday. Of course, we are so used to being on top of the world, being in a lot of skyscrapers in Dubai, but this really is different. Just look at the view down there. Look at that. It's amazing. These are all God's creation.
Look at that. Oh my God.
We're going down and up again from where we parked. Thank you. Careful, guys.
Eddie, Ken, come here. Dito na lang, oh.
There is another family with small kids doing the walk. After doing this, you won't have that big interest to do such adventurous or extreme walk over those glass. Kung ano pinagsasabi ko. No, because the view is just really amazing compared to walking on top of the buildings of the modern architectures. So nice and beautiful. Look at your left. Look at your left side. We are going around this area just to look at different perspectives. How nice it is to see different perspectives, right? And this is the 360 degrees view. What we climb for. How do you feel other than pagod?
Batanes. Scared.
Scared but
Happy.
felt great that we did it.
I conquer my fear. Fear of heights.
Fear of heights. But with this breathtaking view after the climb, it's totally worth it.
Yeah.
So, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
This is beautiful. Not you, also you, yeah. But this is so beautiful, totally refreshing view.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
We could stay here all day.
Yeah.
Actually, on top of the hill. Just feel the cool breeze. It's cloudy today, so it's also a good one. It's not that sunny.
Hi guys, we're done. We're almost done.
It's done.
We conquer Batanes. We went from both sides of the hill. So this is the main achievement of the day.
Yes. Thank you. This is the lobster. I was just thinking about it. So our early lunch for today is a set meal. There's the fried rice, squash, lobster,
And fish.
and I don't know if it's fish, but looks like it's fish.
And fish.
No, it's pork maybe.
No, this is fish also.
Oh, it's fish.
Okay, that's fish.
That's pretty. That concludes the Sabtang Island tour, and we're now back here in Batan Island, the main island. Going back to, it's actually in Ivana. Now we're going to Basco. Yun.
Ano na lang?
Our room is nice and clean again.
Hindi ko nga yung towel. Kasi na nakalagay doon yung
So,
Hi guys! So, welcome to our community here in Batanes. This is where we live. Lumipat na? Kanina lang.
actually,
This is how we
love.
love Batanes. We want to live here forever.
Napakapayak. Good afternoon.
All the people here are saying hi, good
Yeah,
afternoon. They're all
napakapayak ng
greeting us.
pamumuhay. Everyone's courteous. Lahat ng makasalubong sa daan, nagkakawayan, nagbibigayan. Yung mga tindero-tinderan, nakangiti. Lahat ng makasalubong namin, mga bati.
Thank you.
Napakapayak. It's very peaceful. It reminds me of the life back then in Santa Cruz, Laguna when I was a little kid.
And
And
here,
pati sa
they have a
Mindoro.
sari-sari store where they sell clover.
Clover.
And also, we bought some Kopiko.
Bakit? Kasi
This is their road.
this is their main road, one of
Main
their
road.
main roads by the beach. So,
And we're
and
just walking.
according
because
to
we miss
our-
walking.
according to our tour guide also, it is generally safe here. Kahit daw sa gabi, this oras ng gabi, maglakad ka,
Yeah.
walang problema.
And look, they have trees.
Ay, na-miss na gusto ang nature ni Rax. Because you don't really get this much of greens sa Dubai. Yeah.
Everything with it.
Look. Here. We are just... So this is our view. We're walking, going back to the hotel where we stay.
Here are hotels.
Yes. Good.
And there's
Ang
also
sarap.
sari-sari stores here.
Ang sarap magstay dito sa ganitong klaseng lugar. I hope many places in the Philippines will also have this kind
And
of
guys,
peace and
this
order.
is our lot. Manifest.
Ang dami sinasabi. Nagbablog ako.
And
And look at
guys,
the view.
this,
Bye.
ito yung boat namin nga pala. Pinapaayos lang namin.
And that's it. Bye-bye. Good morning. Day 3. Final day. And watching sunrise. Good morning. This is day 3. We're going down for our early breakfast. Well, actually not day 3. Because we'll have breakfast first before going to the airport. So this is our service driving us to the airport.
Ay, ito ba? Okay.
So here's our host, Douglas from Dive Batanes.
Well, we've been here for quite a while hosting people, and there's always good reviews of what Batanes has for everyone. The people are amazing. The people are resilient. The terrain and the seascape landscapes are all very amazing. So please come to Batanes, visit us, and enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much. See you soon.
Hi! Bye, Batanes!
Batanes! Paalam! Welcome to Batanes!
Hindi. Welcome to Batanes. Alis tayo para makatelipad. Wait lang. Not working.
Welcome to Batanes!